Today for the Bitcoin price. Guys, I am here actually on the seaside of Dubai and I was just relaxing, looking into the charts, and I could not believe my eyes what I found over there. I will be talking about that. I want to be going into the charts. I will show you also my trades, my trading setups, my price targets right now in the immediate short term. And I can tell you something, what I found in the charts, I was surprised myself and I feel obligated to show it to you. Give me this feedback if you want more of these videos on the sidelines. Just destroy the algorithm, smash up the like buttons. Recently, guys, you were crushing it. I was not seeing any engagement like this anywhere, so thank you so much for that. Also, I wanted to give a quick shout out to Crypto Jack, who is sitting here with me. Great guy. Just type in Crypto Jack and check out the channel. Absolutely nice. So now let's go here straight into the charts. And by the way, guys, this here is the biggest wheel in the world. It's like a copy of the London Eye, but very beautiful. I love Dubai. And there you see the highest infinity pool in the world. But anyways, guys, we have to get to business here. For business, right? Like this famous DJ is saying. So let me quickly zoom into the charts, and we are here on the 4-hourly candles for the Bitcoin price. And as you can see, you cannot see a lot, right? We had this this rising wedge here. Bitcoin broke down, and I was getting extremely cautious. And I can tell you, I'm still cautious. It's not that I'm changing here my bias of being cautious, but right now, actually, something is happening in the charts which is very interesting. And you can only see that if I am going over to the hourly candles for Bitcoin. So let me quickly go over to the hourly candles. As you can see, from this rising wedge breakdown, a new falling wedge is evolving, and the bias for a falling wedge is completely different than from a rising wedge. And the nice thing here is, if I'm zooming in a little bit, you can see that on the hourly we are forming right now actually this W pattern. We have this W pattern which broke out already. The measured move price target for this W pattern is 55,000 US dollars. I personally think if we are getting follow through here, we are probably going to get resistance by this downward sloping trend line approximately at 53,000. But what is this astonishing thing which I found in the charts? What was I teasing here in the beginning? Well, first of all, we had this horribly scary M pattern actually here, which is on the 4-hourly even and on the 8-hourly, like on all time frames besides the daily and weekly, which broke down. That was scary. We even got some volume in, but right now with the Bitcoin price going above it, if we are closing a daily candle above this yellow line here, set your alerts, guys, above the level of 53,345, if we are closing a daily candle above, the whole bearish narrative of this M pattern is invalidated, and then the bulls might be waking up once again, because a fake out to the upside is very bearish. However, here we are having a potential, if the daily candle closes above, fake out towards the downside. So it is time to get a little bit more vigilant here, especially to get a little bit more hopeful for the bullish scenario for Bitcoin. And here I'm not only talking about this specific 55,000 US dollar price target. No, if we are getting follow through here, we are talking about this falling wedge, and the price target of a falling wedge breakout is a crazy one. It's the top of the wedge, and here we are talking about 61,600 US dollars. This is not something to joke around with. Is 61,500 US dollars, the previous all-time high, would certainly wipe out all the bears. It would liquidate all the short positions out there. And this is always a possibility. We have a bearish divergence on the daily. We have a bearish divergence on the weekly. Technically, it couldn't look any more bearish than that, at least yesterday. And regardless, in a bull market, you do not want to be shorting Bitcoin. It's at least not in my trading strategy. I'm longing Bitcoin or I'm waiting. And now I'm waiting, guys. You could even trade this W breakout, but now I'm waiting. And once we are getting these clear signs that we are going back into a bullish mode, because Bitcoin is still on the 4-hourly, I might show you that quickly here. On the 4-hourly, let me quickly go to the 4-hourly. You can see on the EMA ribbon, Bitcoin is still in this bearish trajectory. And if I'm zooming in here, we are still below the 4-hourly EMA ribbon. And you can see also that this yellow short-term moving average is below the long-term moving averages. But once, and it's every single freaking time the same, I will make a fully dedicated video about that. This yellow short-term moving average goes above the red long-term moving average, we are going back into a bullish trajectory. And on the flip side, bearish trajectory. If I'm going a little bit back into the past, it's every single freaking time the same. Once this flips, Bitcoin goes bullish. Once this flips to the bearish side, Bitcoin goes bearish. And right now I'm expecting the exact same. Well, right now it is actually here, pretty expanded. But once this orange, this yellow line goes back above the red line, this is the moment I'm going to search for significant long positions. This is the moment I'm going to search for significant W patterns. And of course, guys, I want to be updating you quickly here. Let me quickly go back. on the trades I'm currently having open, because people are asking me, Chris, you are bearish chart-wise on Bitcoin. And yes, of course, we have bearish divergences everywhere, patterns breaking down. But why didn't I close down my trades? Why am I still in my long positions? And as you see, we are getting here a significant bounce. This is my trade over on Phoenix. Right now, $1.8 million in a profit. And you know, I have in total like 5 trades open. By the way, if you also want to be trading like me on Bybit and Phoenix, in the pinned comment down below, if you just scroll down, it is the very first comment in the pinned comment section. You click one of these links, and afterwards you make an account. You will always be eligible for the highest bonuses possible. Now you get $700 accumulated, but if this bonus period is over, with our links in the pinned comment, you will always get the highest bonuses. I negotiated that with these exchanges, so make sure you take advantage of that if you are an experienced trader right now in the pinned comment. But I am having these trades open. I am having trades open even on Bybit, and I'm scaling out as we go higher. I don't think that this bull market is over. These are long-term trades, so why should I close them down? I will have short-term trades very soon. Once we are flipping here into a bullish trend on the 4-hourly EMA, I will keep you updated, so make sure you smash up the like button. This was certainly a special one. This was certainly a very important one. Thank you so much for watching until the very end. Make sure you send some kind regards over to this amazing person over there. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.